Hey, English learners! Welcome back to English Spark. I'm Sarah, and today we have a big problem to solve. Just imagine you come back from a great vacation. Your friend asks, "How was your trip?" You want to tell them everything, but you only say, "It was good." Nice. They smile and walk away. You feel bad because you had amazing stories, but you couldn't say them in English. Here's the secret. Americans don't use difficult words to talk about vacations. They use 40 simple phrases that make any vacation sound exciting. Not hard words, not complicated grammar. Just 40 easy phrases that help you tell great stories. My student Maria always said, "My vacation was nice," and stopped. After learning these phrases, her friend said, "Wow, that sounds amazing. Tell me more." Same vacation, different words, big change. This is day 12 of our 30-day challenge to speak English fluently. How to talk about your vacation in simple English. Learn 40 easy vacation phrases. In 10 to 12 minutes, you'll learn all 40 phrases. You'll practice them in a real conversation. And next time someone asks about your vacation, you'll tell stories that people want to hear. These aren't from textbooks. These are the real phrases Americans use every day. Ready to sound natural? Let's start. First, let's learn how to start talking about your vacation. These 8 phrases help you begin easily. I just got back from Paris. I just got back from Paris. I went to Mexico last week. I went to Mexico last week. We visited Thailand. We visited Thailand. I was in Italy for 5 days. I was in Italy for 5 days. It was my first time there. It was my first time there. I really wanted to go there. I really wanted to go there. It was a surprise trip. It was a surprise trip. We decided to try something new. We decided to try something new. Great. These phrases help you start your vacation story. See how simple they are. That's how Americans really talk. Now let's learn what to say about your activities. Ready for more? Here are 12 phrases to talk about what you did. These will make your stories interesting. We went to the beach every day. We went to the beach every day. I walked around the city. I walked around the city. We went to the mountains. We went to the mountains. I saw a lot of cool places. I saw a lot of cool places. We went to the local markets. We went to the local markets. I tried new things. I tried new things. We just relaxed. We just relaxed. I sat by the pool. I sat by the pool. We took a tour. We took a tour. I walked in the old town. I walked in the old town. We saw all the famous places. See, we saw all the famous places. I went to the countryside. I went to the countryside. Perfect. Now you can describe activities like native speakers. Notice how easy these phrases are. That's the secret. Now let's talk about food. Food is important when you talk about vacations. Here are 10 phrases natives love to use. The food was amazing. The food was amazing. I ate so much. I ate so much. But we tried the local food. We tried the local food. I loved the food there. I loved the food there. And the street food was so good. The street food was so good. I had the best pizza ever. I had the best pizza ever. Everything was different. Everything was different. The people were really nice. The people were really nice. Everyone was so friendly. Everyone was so friendly. I learned some new words. I learned some new words. Now let's learn the final phrases. These last 10 phrases help you end your story well. They make people want to go there too. I had so much fun. I had so much fun. It was better than I expected. It was better than I expected. I want to go back. I want to go back. It was perfect. It was perfect. I didn't want to leave. I didn't want to leave. You should go there. You should go there. It's really worth it. It's really worth it. I can't stop thinking about it. I can't stop thinking about it. It was unforgettable. It was unforgettable. Best vacation ever. Best vacation ever. Amazing work. You just learned 40 simple phrases for vacation conversations. No more saying just, "It was nice." Now you can tell exciting stories that people want to hear. If you feel more confident about talking about vacations, subscribe for next lesson. In the comments, write about your last vacation. Use 2 or 3 phrases from today's lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next amazing lesson.